Are you looking to start a career in cybersecurity, but you're not sure which path to take? The cybersecurity field is full of exciting opportunities, and choosing the right career can really help you build a rewarding future. Now, this is not, financial advice. It's for educational purposes. So one great career option is becoming a security analyst. In this role, you're going to monitor systems for security threats and respond to any incidents. Another popular career is ethical hacking. As a penetration tester, you're going to use hacking skills to find vulnerabilities in systems and help companies fix them before bad actors do. If you enjoy working with networks, a network security engineer is another great option. You'll be responsible for protecting company networks from cyber threats. And for those who are interested in cloud security, becoming a cloud security architect is a high-demand role that involves securing cloud systems and services. Lastly, a cybersecurity consultant offers advice to companies on how to improve their security measures and protect their data. So with the right skills and certifications, you can start your journey towards any of these exciting careers in cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like. Love ya.